Understanding ball valves, types and applications. Ball valves, what are they? A ball valve opening and closing. Ball valves control the flow of liquids and gases with a simple twist. Let's explore the main types. Key types of ball valves. The ball floating and sealing under pressure. A floating ball seals tightly against the valve seat for effective control. A trunnion-mounted ball being held in place. Designed for high-pressure systems, this type is fixed and reliable. V-shaped opening controlling flow. With precise control, it's perfect for throttling applications. Fluid flow through multiple paths. Directs flow in multiple directions, ideal for complex systems. Ball valves in action. Various ball valves in industrial settings. From pipelines to factories, ball valves are essential. Like and subscribe for more engineering insights.